No, it's looking lovely outside. In fact, today we'll get the sunshine in the next couple of days. Through the weekend, it might turn a little bit cloudy, but on the whole, not bad. Our friend high pressure is still anchored across the UK. That means that this afternoon we'll continue to see more sunshine. However, it's not sunny everywhere in the UK now. I want to show you the satellite picture, and the reason why I'm showing it to you is I want to show this area of cloud which has been drifting out of the North Sea towards these eastern counties. In fact, all the way from northern Kent through East Anglia, all the way up to the borders of Scotland. Now, this time of the year, when you're out of the cloud in the sunshine, temperatures shoot up to the dizzy heights of around about 15 degrees. If you're stuck underneath the cloud closer to the coast with the breeze off a cold North Sea, temperatures of only around about 7 Celsius, so loosely speaking, half the amount. Now, as far as this afternoon is concerned, it looks as though it'll stay quite cloudy with that nip in the air across these eastern coasts, but the further inland you go, westwards, the sunnier it'll get. In fact, across most of Scotland, certainly inland and the Western Isles, it'll remain sunny all through the day. And the same goes for Northern Ireland as well. That spring sunshine, those blazing rays will continue through the course of the afternoon. And across the Irish Sea, we hop into Wales as well in typical temperatures of around about 13 to 15 degrees or so. I suspect somewhere in here today we'll get a 16, that's around about 61 Fahrenheit. Not the warmest out of the last couple of days or so, but certainly a respectable enough temperature for this time of the year. Now, as we swing a little bit further eastwards, you'll notice this cloud just out of the Thames estuary, 7 in Ipswich. Certainly chilly weather here. Now, as we go through the night, that cloud will filter into the UK, so there will be some cloudy skies overnight, but where you've got the clear skies, the temperatures will dip to near freezing, and just like this morning, there'll be some mist and some frost around in a few places. In some areas of Britain, tomorrow, it looks as though that low cloud and mist will be stubborn for a time. Eventually it'll clear away, so by the time we get to the middle of the afternoon, if I can be so bold, it'll be a beautiful day with hardly any clouds across the country. 13 degrees in London, could see even in one or two spots in northeastern Scotland up to around about 17, believe it or not. Now, Friday evening, if you're out and about, it's looking pretty good as well. Should be mostly dry. And then, of course, we've got the weekend. Some changes on the way. First of all, in the northwest of Scotland, increasing amounts of clouds. However, the rest of the UK should remain mostly sunny, and temperatures again around about 13 degrees. And remember, the sun now is just as strong as it is around about September time, so it still can burn you. Now, as far as Sunday's concerned,